Chat GPT for $20 a month is past the US bar exam. And so, and not only did it pass the US bar exam, and you can see here from the different versions of Chat GPT, so it went well above the average mark of other lawyers. And again, I just have to press on you without wishing to labor the point that ad nauseum perhaps, that this is an exceptional result considering that it's still in its infancy. This is again a very difficult to see slide with a lot of meaningless information, but basically what it basically shows is the improvements in accuracy of Chat GPT that it's made from the different versions. And so you'll see the different versions graduating up from the light blue to the green. And so this shows the advancements that it's made in accuracies, and they rate this based on the different pillars: learning, technology, writing, history, math, science, recommendation, code, business. And you can see these vast improvements in a short space of time. So, which brings us to our second practical point of the presentation, and it's based on the terms of Chat GPT. And this is going to highlight the point that I was making about its rate of improvement. So in terms of getting the terms, the Chat GPT terms, they're available online at OpenAI policies terms of use. Now,